Hey everybody, it's that time of the day again. Rainbow loves his water and he loves his toys. How about your bird? Does your bird like a tray of water? Or does your bird prefer it inside the tub? Under a slow dripping faucet? With your hands cupped? And they're in your hands? How does your bird prefer water? Does your bird like water at all? Some don't, some do. For those who have been following my YouTube videos, this guy did not like too much water in the beginning. Now he just loves it. He would just follow his other bird peers and just wet his feet. But this guy now loves the water. As you can see, he lays down on a shallow tray of water and he likes to splash around and sometimes even open his wings. Yep, like this. Lots of fun in the water. I like to give him a little room temperature water. Actually, this water has been boiled and cooled down. It's just me. I just boil all the water and cool everything down before I give it to my birds. Now what's going on, Rainbow? You taking a break? Snacking again, huh? Eating and snacking all day long. What a life. Right? Eating, snacking, playing with water. You know, your tummy is all wet. Look at this. And you're stopping for a snack. That's unusual. Okay, coming out and play? Okay, let's see what he does. Rainbow, you want to come and go swim again? No, you're going to dry it off. See, when these birds get wet, they like to dry off with their wings drooping down. I guess it helps them to dry. You can make up your mind what you want to do. What you want to eat or you want to play. Well, that's Rainbow's life. Eat, sleep, play. I like that, right? I bet you like it too. Okay. So let's see what your other birdie friends are doing. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye.